If you've been working out in the gym for a while, you've probably heard of steroids, especially Trenbolone, one of the most common among users. But what if I told you that there are many other steroids circulating in these gyms? In today's video, we're going to explore and classify some of the most popular anabolic steroids in the bodybuilding world. If you're curious about which of these steroids might be best for you, keep watching. We're going to analyze each of them in a ranking based on their popularity and effectiveness among bodybuilders. It's important to note that our approach focuses on how these steroids are used and the benefits they provide, without getting into the merits of which is the most potent or which has the greatest associated risks. Fifth place, Oxandrolone. In fifth place, we have Oxandrolone, better known as Anavar. This steroid is widely used by bodybuilders looking to improve muscle definition without a large increase in body weight. Anavar is valued for its ability to promote modest muscle gains with fewer side effects compared to more potent steroids. It is often used in cutting cycles due to its low water retention capacity, helping to maintain a drier, more defined physique. Although it is relatively mild, excessive use of Anavar can lead to some side effects such as liver problems, changes in cholesterol, and in some cases changes in mood and libido. It's important to use Anavar responsibly and under medical supervision to minimize these risks. 4. Bodybuilding. In the fourth place is Bodybuilding, commercially known as Equipoise. This steroid is prized for its properties that help increase lean muscle mass and improve appetite. Equipoise is often used in bulking cycles as it promotes sustained muscle gains and an improvement in physique quality. It also has the advantage of causing fewer extreme side effects compared to stronger steroids. However, excessive use of Bodybuilding can cause side effects such as water retention, increased blood pressure, and cholesterol problems. In addition, it can cause a significant suppression of natural testosterone production, requiring additional care during and after the cycle. Third place, Nandrolone. In third place, we have Nandrolone, better known as Durabolin. This steroid is famous for its ability to promote significant gains in muscle mass and strength. It is widely used in bulking cycles and is known to aid in joint recovery, which can be an added benefit for bodybuilders who suffer from joint pain due to intense training. But beware, excessive use of Durabolin can cause side effects such as water retention, increased blood pressure, and changes in lipid profile. In addition, it can lead to suppression of natural testosterone production and symptoms such as erectile dysfunction and decreased libido. It is important to use Nandrolone with caution and to monitor hormone levels throughout the cycle. Second place, Testosterone. In second place, we have testosterone. Testosterone is the most basic and versatile anabolic steroid, widely used in both bulking and cutting cycles. It promotes significant muscle gains, improves strength, and increases libido, making it the foundation of many steroid cycles. Testosterone is known for its effectiveness in increasing muscle mass and improving athletic performance. Also be aware that testosterone use is not without risk. Common side effects include acne, increased aggression, water retention, and possible changes in lipid profile. Prolonged use or excessive doses can lead to more serious problems, such as cardiovascular and liver problems. It is important to monitor your health regularly and adjust the dosage as needed. First place, Trenbolone. Finally, in first place, we have Trenbolone. This steroid is widely considered to be the most powerful for muscle gain and definition. Trenbolone offers fast and impressive results, promoting significant increases in muscle mass and strength, as well as improving fat burning. It is highly effective for bodybuilders looking for extreme results and a well-defined muscular appearance. The most widely used, Trenbolone, is also known for its severe side effects. Excessive use can cause insomnia, increased aggression, night sweats, and cardiovascular problems. It can also lead to a significant suppression of natural testosterone production and negatively affect mental and physical health. It is therefore crucial to use Trenbolone with extreme caution and under medical supervision. Now that we've explored and classified the major anabolic steroids, it's important to remember that moderation and caution are key. The difference between an experienced bodybuilder who has been training for 20 years and someone just starting out who wants to use the same dosages is significant. A veteran bodybuilder has a solid base of training and experience, as well as a better knowledge of how to manage and adjust his steroid use to minimize side effects. On the other hand, beginners should be especially cautious. Excessive steroid use by someone with less experience can lead to serious side effects and long-term health problems. Gradual progression, along with a balanced and well-informed approach, is the key to avoiding risks and achieving lasting results. If you're thinking about using steroids, it's important to do your research. Consult with a healthcare professional and consider the long-term effects on your health and well-being. Remember, there is no substitute for consistent training, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle. And that was the ranking of the best anabolic steroids most used in the world of bodybuilding. If you already knew or have used any of them, leave your comment below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe so you don't miss any news from the fitness world, and see you in the next Fit Fundamentals video.